Exhibition World Bahrain has come to be the jewel in the crown for the MICE industry, not only in Bahrain, but for the whole region. As we all know that Bahrain sits in the center of the Gulf, and with all the developments that are happening in the countries around us, Bahrain will always serve as the hub for visitors, being leisure visitors or business visitors. So with the state-of-the-art facilities that we have achieved here in Bahrain, we look forward to for it to become a leading venue for major exhibition and conferences from around the world.
The magnificent Exhibition World Bahrain, it's all about infrastructure development in our industry, meetings industry, but I must say that this is something very unique. Building infrastructure in a destination is to grow our business, grows the meetings industry, but Exhibition World Bahrain is a unique proposition to the global meetings industry and the conference industry. The infrastructure, the way it's being built, looking at a customer-friendly environment should be commendable. I'm glad to be here, and I invite the rest of the world to come and experience, bring your meetings and exhibitions here to showcase a best customer service and customer product using Exhibition World Bahrain.
I'm really happy to be here at the Exhibitions World Bahrain, and it's a great opportunity to start working with the Exhibitions World Bahrain. We as MCI are an international group that does meetings around the world, and Exhibitions World Bahrain gives us the opportunity to start building and making conferences come to Bahrain and help it build over the next few years of what our growth strategy is for the region. There is a lot of opportunity in Bahrain. Over the last 70 years, this country has been offering a lot to the marketplace, and I think there is a lot more that it can offer. With a lot of associations and a lot of infrastructure that is around in Bahrain, there's an opportunity to grow here, and as well as bring knowledge transfer to the country and to the region.
So the ICCA workshop at Exhibition World Bahrain really is more than just a gathering of industry professionals. At the end of the day, it's all about discussing through a dynamic platform about all the navigating the trends and strategies within the future of the international community is what we really want to do as Exhibition World Bahrain to contribute to that market.